Hello and welcome to another Making Meaning. This week we will be reading Giant Jellyfish Invasion, but first let's do some vocab. So our first word is treat. Treat. Now to treat someone means to try to cure them or heal them in this situation. So this vet is going to treat this cat. So the second one is provide. Provide. Now, provide means to give something that is wanted or needed. This waiter is going to provide some rice for the family. Provide. The next one is conserve. So conserve means to protect something from harm or to keep something from being used up or wasted. So this person is conserving water by not having it running while they're brushing their teeth. It's a good way to save water from being used up. Conserve. And our last word is appreciate. Appreciate means to be grateful or thankful for something. So this person is this person saying thank you because they are getting a letter. So they're showing their appreciation. All right. So this week we are going to be reading another article. This one is called Giant Jellyfish Invasion. And I'll have some discussion questions, which will also be on Schoology that you can answer, or you can answer as I stop. And I will also put this article on Schoology, so if you can't read it here. All right, so this is Giant Jellyfish Invasion by Ruth Musgrave. So this first picture has a little caption. It says, a diver attaches a sensor to a Norma jellyfish. It will transmit the animal's location and other information. All right, so I'm going to start the first paragraph. Are aliens attacking the Sea of Japan? Not exactly, but these gigantic blobs are unwelcome visitors from another place. Called Norma's jellyfish, the wiggly pinkish giants can weigh up to 450 pounds, or about 204 kilograms. As heavy as a male lion, and they are swarming by the millions. All right, second paragraph. The supersized sea creatures normally found off the coast of China and North and South Korea occasionally drift east into the Sea of Japan to feed on a tiny organism called plankton. But now 100 times the usual number of jellyfish are invading the Japanese waters, and local fishermen are feeling as if they are under siege. All right. So my first discussion question is, after hearing these first two paragraphs, what have you learned so far? From these first two paragraphs, what have you already learned about the jellyfish invasion? Now I'm going to zoom in so you can see this map. The arrows show the route of the Norma's jellyfish. So you can see how they are moving around from the Yellow Sea, from China, around North and South Korea, all the way around the Sea of Japan to the Pacific Ocean. All right, so now I'm going to move on to here. The fishermen's nets are getting weighed down or even broken by hundreds of jellyfish. The jellies crush, slime, and poison valuable fish in the nets, such as the tuna and salmon that our fishermen are relying on to make a living. No one knows for sure what's causing this jellyfish traffic jam. It's possible that oceans heated by global warming are creating the perfect jellyfish breeding ground. Another theory is that overfishing has decreased the number of some fish, which may allow jellyfish to chow down without competition for food. For now, all the fishermen can do is design special nets to try to keep the jellies out. Some of them hope to turn the catastrophe into cash by selling jellyfish snacks. Peanut butter and jellyfish, anyone? All right, so here are some fast facts. Baby Norma jellyfish change from the size of a grain of rice to the size of a washing machine in 6 months or less. Jellyfish are 95% water. Jellyfish aren't actually fish. They're invertebrates, animals without backbones. All right, so this article has a lot of information, so you might need to either replay me or read it online Schoology. But my second question is, what are some possible reasons the author gives for why there are so many jellyfish? So the author gives some reasons as to why they think why there are so many jellyfish, and I want you to tell me some of them. The third question is, if someone asked you what this article is about, what would you tell them? So I want you to pull out what is the main information from this article, the most important information that if someone walked up to you, like if your parents asked you, hey, what is this article about? What would you tell them? And the fourth one is, what are 2 things that the author really wants you to remember about this article? What does the author think that it's really important? All right, so I will put this online Schoology, or you can play it again and listen to me. Thank you.